Hello and welcome to the Pannonic Mechanic. Today I want to show you how to do a maintenance at drum brakes. I did a little bit pre-work. I removed the wheels. What problems can you solve with the maintenance at the drum brakes? If you can pull your handbrake too high up, then you can do an adjustment, and if your rear brakes are unsimilar, there we can do an adjustment too. And we can do a cleaning of the brakes, check if every part is okay. So let's start. First of all, clean it with compressed air. Now we must check a few components. First of all, like the brake lining's okay. Yes, they are thick enough. This one too. Then the brake caliper. If it goes easy, yes, it's okay. That one is okay too. Okay. Now we can maybe clean the brake pads a little bit. You only need a little bit sandpaper for that. And sand a little bit down the edges. Now we continue with the brake drum. Sometimes you have an edge here of rust, and if the brake pad is not thick enough or wide enough, here, then we can help a little bit with sandpaper. If sandpaper is not enough, take a file. So, that's okay now. Now check if you can mount the brake drum easily or tightly. It goes really easy, and it turns really easy. We can now make an adjustment, but it goes tightly. What you can see here, that's the self-adjuster of the drum brakes, but this don't work every time, so we must do the adjustment. It's easy. You take the screwdriver, set it here, and turn. Turn and turn. Not too much. If we did this, we must control if the brake pads are in the center. This is the metal edge that helps us. Put the screwdriver here. Yes, try not to forget that. And control here. Is a little bit more different, so put it down a little bit. Control again. Make it so. Yes, better. Control here. Now check with the brake drum again. Yes. Now it goes a little bit tight. Yes, but I still can turn it. Can I remove that? Yes. Do a little bit more. okay. A little bit more. You must do that process again and again and again until you say it's okay. Now it's okay. Now we do on the other side. Oh, that's too tight. Too much. I must loosen it again a little bit. It's easy also. You must pull that part away and turn that into the other direction. Should be enough. Now give it a few knocks. Here also. The front drum again. Do it a little bit more. Check if it's in the center. Okay. Now it's okay. So we try now our brakes. Jump in the car and press the brake pedal a few times. Now pull the handbrake a few times. The fourth one is really tight, really tightly. Okay, I think that's okay. We can can do that a few times and then do an adjustment again if you want to do it really perfect. So I'm ready now with the maintenance of the drum brakes. I hope that video helps you. You can solve a few problems with that, and you see it's not too much work. If there are no parts which are worn out, a little bit cleaning, a little bit adjusting, and you are good to go. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and please subscribe my channel, and I wish you a nice day. Thanks for watching. Bye.